guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a lipstick combos video for you guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing my current favorite lipstick combos. So I have a couple of matte combos as well as some gloss combos, and I'm really excited to be sharing them with you guys. You guys love these types of videos, so I really wanted to create a new and updated one and share some of my favorite lip products at the moment with you guys. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy videos like this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So the very first lip combo is with the Dragun Beauty Lip Job Liner and the Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Gloss in the shade Honey Waffles. So I love pairing these two together. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I like to apply them. So I'm first starting off by just lining my lips with the lip liner. So I'm basically overdrawing my lips slightly, and I'm also shading in just like the outer portions of the lip just to add a little bit more dimension to the lips. So you can see right here, I'm just gonna color this part in. And this side. Next I'm going in with the gloss. Alright you guys, so this is the first lip combo that I have been loving. I love how neutral this is and how warm this is. I feel like it's beautiful and great for the spring summer that is fast approaching. I really like this combo because I feel like it's a cute neutral, but it has like that really unique kind of warm tone to it, kind of like that honey brown kind of orangey tone, and I absolutely love that. And I really do love the Dragun Beauty lip liner because it's a great neutral that can be paired with so many other lipsticks and lip products. So I really do love both of these products together and separately, but yeah, I have just been loving this combo. So next I want to share my current favorite nude lipstick combo with you guys, and this is a glossy nude lip. I have been loving it. I recently did a makeup tutorial with this lipstick combo, so if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial with this lip combo, make sure you guys check out the video. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. So for this combo, you're going to need 3 products. To start, you're going to need the Colourpop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF4. For lipstick, you're going to need the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Honey. And to top it off, for the gloss, you're going to need the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Crystal. So I'm going to start off by overlining my lips slightly with the lip liner. And then I just like to blend it out onto the top. It makes it easier to line the lips. So once I'm done lining the lips, then I like to go in with the matte lipstick. This is a nude lipstick, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lips. And lastly, of course, I'm going in with the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline in the shade Crystal. So this is the finished product, you guys. This is my current favorite nude lipstick combo. I absolutely love this nude lipstick on its own, but I've been loving it with kind of a deep toned liner like the Colourpop liner that I use right now. I feel like using a deep lip liner with a light kind of nude like this one really adds a nice dimension to the lips, makes the lips look bigger, and of course just topping it off with the gloss makes the lips look more bigger and adds a nice kind of pout. And I also love this gloss because it has the shimmer in it, the gold shimmer, which I feel like adds a nice warm tint to the lips. When you apply the gloss onto the lips, you don't really see the shimmer, but it does add nice shine. So I really do love that. And just all together, I feel like it makes the perfect nude kind of lip combo and lip look. So I'm definitely obsessed with this combo. Alright, you guys, so the next lipstick combo is a really cute pink girly glossy lipstick combo. I absolutely love this look, and I recently did a makeup tutorial with this lip look, so if you guys are interested in checking that out, I'll have the video linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. So for this lip look, you're going to need two products. You're going to need the Colourpop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF2, and you're going to need the Tarte Maneater Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Mauve. So to start off, I'm going in with the lip liner, and I'm just going to slightly overdraw my lips. Just going to blend out the lip liner. I'm also slightly kind of shading the edges of the lips just to add some dimension. Next, I'm going in with the gloss and just topping up the lips. So this is the next lip combo, you guys. I absolutely love it. I love this lip liner with this lip gloss. I feel like they pair really well together because the liner is just a tad bit darker than the gloss, so it adds nice dimension to the lips. I love the formula of this gloss because it is a lip plumping gloss, so it has a nice kind of cooling sensation, and I really feel like it nicely plumps the lips. In terms of pigmentation, you guys can see this gloss has great pigment. I put it all over my lips and there's a nice pink tint to it. Overall, I also love this shade. I feel like it's a perfect kind of everyday soft glam shade. It's very versatile, so I absolutely love this combination together. Alright, so the next lip look that I want to share with you guys is a matte lip ombre look. So to start, you're going to need the Colourpop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF3, and you're going to need two matte lipsticks. You're going to need the Huda Beauty Power Bullet matte lipstick in the shade First Kiss, and the Makeup by Mario matte lipstick in the shade Sierra. So these are the three products you're going to need. Let me show you guys how I like to apply them. So starting off with the lip liner, I'm going to slightly overdraw my lips. So once the lips are lined, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty lipstick, and I'm going to apply this all over the lips. And lastly, I'm grabbing the Makeup by Mario lipstick. This is a bright nude lipstick, and I'm just gonna apply this on the center part of the lips just to add that nice ombre look. So this is the matte lip combo, you guys. I have currently been loving this. As you guys know, I love the Huda Beauty First Kiss lipstick on its own, but something about the Makeup by Mario lipstick paired with this, I feel like is just so lovely. It really makes the lipstick a little less on the deeper end and just kind of lightens it up, and I really do like the look of that. I feel like this is a perfect lip look for every day. I love the tone that is kind of created with these three products together. So yeah, I've just been loving this look. Alright, and the very last lip combo that I want to share with you guys is my current everyday go-to lipstick combo, and that is with the Colourpop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF4 and the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Supermodel. So I'm going to start off by slightly over drying my lips. As you guys can see, I really shaded in the lips with the dark lip liner. It's gonna add a nice ombre look when I go on top with the lipstick. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this all over the lips. So this is the final lip combo that I wanted to share with you guys. I absolutely love this look. I have been wearing this every single day. I love the Matte Revolution lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. The formula is amazing. It has a nice matte finish, as you guys can see, but it's super hydrating. It's super creamy and super soft and lightweight. I absolutely love this formula, which is why I've been really gravitating towards it every day. I also really love this shade. I feel like it's a perfect cute pink shade that's great for every day. It's a great neutral, and I really love playing it up with this deep lip liner. Based on the look that I'm trying to go for, I'll apply less or more of this lip liner. The less I add, of course, the brighter the lipstick is, because on its own it's a really nice pink shade. So whenever I want to do kind of like a more deeper look and I want to have a little bit more dimension, I go in more with this lip liner. So that's kind of what I did today to show you guys how I create a nice kind of ombre effect with these two lip products. And I think it's just so beautiful. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my lipstick combos video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out my lipsticks playlist. I'll have it up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like any of the products that I shared with you guys today, and also comment down below your favorite lipstick combo. I would love to know. Maybe I'll try it out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!